Let us start the session. Today we are going to start session number 4 of chapter number 5, Understanding Elementary Shapes. In this chapter we are going to learn about perpendicular lines and classification of triangles, and we'll complete NCERT exercise. 2 exercise we will complete 5.5 and 5.6. So let us start with the first topic, perpendicular lines. Two lines are said to be perpendicular lines if they intersect. If they intersect and the angle between them is 90 degree, that is right angle. Okay, so when two lines intersect and the angle between them is a right angle, that is 90 degree, then the lines are said to be perpendicular. And if a line AB is perpendicular to CD, we used to write in this notation. This is the perpendicular sign. How we have to read this one? AB is perpendicular to CD. इसको कैसे रीड करेंगे हम लोग? AB is perpendicular to CD, right? And if suppose this is a figure, if suppose AB is perpendicular to CD and the intersecting point, that is M, is the midpoint of CD. If the intersecting point M is the midpoint of CD, then we will say AB is the perpendicular bisector of CD. I repeat once again. See, AB intersects CD at right angle, so it is a perpendicular line. But if the intersecting point is the midpoint of CD, then AB is called the perpendicular bisector of CD, right? So based on this concept, now we are going to start exercise 5.5. Which of the following are models for perpendicular lines? Number 1, adjacent edges of a tabletop. See this figure. If you see the adjacent edges of all the all the adjacent edges of a tabletop, you will find right angle. So the adjacent edges of a tabletop is the model for perpendicular lines. Now next one, the lines of a railway track. The lines will never intersect each other, that both are parallel to each other. So this is not a model of this perpendicular lines. Now next one is that the line segments forming the letter L. See this letter L. यहाँ पर भी हम लोग को 90 डिग्री मिल रहा है. देखो, we are getting 90 degree right angle here. So this can be used as a model for perpendicular lines. Now the next one is V. V में हम लोग को acute angle मिलेगा. This angle is less than 90 degree. It is not equals to 90 degree. That is not right angle. So this model is not used for perpendicular lines. So this is the first question. Now we are moving toward the second question. Let PQ be the perpendicular to the line segment XY. Let PQ and XY intersect in the point A. What is the measure of angle PAY? See, it is given that PQ is the perpendicular perpendicular to the line segment XY, or perpendicular to the line segment means it will intersect at 90 degree. तो ये वाला जो एंगल होगा, this angle will be 90 degree.
90 degrees.
Okay. So the measure of angle PAY is equals to 90 degree. So now question number 3. There are two set squares in your box. Okay. What are the measure of the angles that are formed at their corners? So do they have any angle measure that is common? चलो हम लोग एक काम करते हैं, measure करके check कर लेते हैं. I'm going to measure the first square. Okay, so this is 90 degree, and now the एक first set square का एक angle मिल गया. Now I'm going to measure the second angle. Okay, so ये कौन सा हो गया? एक मिनट. Right. So this is 45 degree. Okay, the second angle is 45 degree, and now the third angle हम लोग left side से measure कर लेते हैं from here. Okay, left side से जब measure करेंगे, now we have to see the upper scale.
Sir, 45.
So this is also 45. Okay, so 90, 90, 45, 90, 45, 45. So let us measure this one also. This is 90, one angle, and another angle we are going to measure. ये भी measure कर लेते इसी side में. So when the baseline is left hand side, we have to see the upper one. So this is 60, right? 60. Very good, right? Now the third one.
30.
This is 30, right?
30.
Yes, this is 30. So we got all the measurements, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So first set square में हम लोग को मिला था 45, 45 and 90. And in the second set square we got 30, 60 and 90. So which angle is common to both one? 90 degree?
Yes, sir.
The last
Yes,
question
sir.
is that do they have any angle measure that is common? Yes, 90 degree. 90 degree is common in the two set square. So this is the third question. Now we are moving toward the fourth question. Study the diagram. The L, the line L is perpendicular to line M. Is CE is equals to EG. तो एक मिनट इधर देखो. C से लेकर E तक. What is the total length? 2 units. And EG
2 units.
EG is also 2 units. So that means answer is yes. Next one. Does PE bisect CG? Bisects हम लोग कब बोलते हैं? जब वो equal part में divide करता है. ठीक है? When PE divides CG into 2 equal parts. See, we have already seen CE is equals to EG. ये दोनों equal है 2 units. That means PE bisects CG. Our answer is yes. Now the next question. Identify any two line segments for which PE is the perpendicular bisector. So perpendicular bisector के लिए हम लोग ये भी use कर सकते हैं DF because here 1 unit, here also 1 unit. We can use CG also because here 2 units, here also 2 units. And we can use BH also because here 3 units, this side also 3 units. So any two line segments we can write. So I am writing D, F and BH. So this is question number and question number C bit. Now third last bit में आ जाओ. Are this true? AC is greater than FG. AC देखो 2 units है और FG is 1 unit. So that means the answer is yes.
Yes.
Now next is CD is equals to GH. CD is 1 unit. GH is also 1 unit.
Yes. True.
Yes, true. Last one, BC is less than EH. BC is 1 unit and EH is 3 unit. Yes.
True.
1 is less than 3. That is true.
True.
Okay. So this is the exercise 5.5. Now we are going to start the next topic, classification of triangles. Already we have learned about triangle. Triangle is the smallest polygon with 3 sides, 3 line segments. Okay. Triangle is the smallest polygon. Okay. Now in this section we are going to learn about types of triangles. And triangles can be classified into 2 categories, based on 2 categories. One is based on sides and another based on angles. So first of all we will see based on sides. Okay. And the first type is a scalene triangle. Scalene triangles are triangle in which all the 3 sides are different. तीनों sides unequal हैं. उसको क्या बोलेंगे? Scalene triangle. Okay. See example. In this AB is 2 centimeter and AC is 3.5 centimeter and BC is 3.9 centimeter. All 3 sides are different. All are not equal to each other. So this is an example of scalene triangle. And the next type is isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle is a triangle in which any 2 sides are equal. Okay. So a triangle having 2 equal sides, any 2 equal sides is called isosceles triangle. See this figure. In this figure, Ln is equals to Lm, both are equals to 4 centimeter. So इसमें ये दोनों side equal है. That is why this is an example of isosceles triangle. And the third one is equilateral triangle, in which all the 3 sides are equal. Okay. A triangle having 3 equal sides is called an equilateral triangle. See this example. All 3 sides are equal to 3 centimeter. So this is an example of equilateral triangle. So these 3 types are based on sides. Now we are going to classify the types of triangles based on angles. So first angle, first type is an acute angled triangle. So acute angle triangle is a triangle in which all the internal and interior angles are acute angle. Okay, if each angle is less than 90 degree, less than 90 degree means acute angle, then the triangle is called acute angled triangle. See this figure. Here angle A is also less than 90, angle B is also less than 90, and angle C is also less than 90. So this is an example of acute angled triangle. Now the second type is right angled triangle. In short, we used to say right triangle. Okay, if one angle, any one angle is equals to 90 degree, then the triangle is called right angled triangle. See this figure. In this figure, angle Q is equals to 90 degree, whereas angle P and angle R both are less than 90 degree. और एक triangle में दो right angle नहीं हो सकते, because the actually angle sum property, there is one property of triangle in which the sum of interior angles of a triangle should be 180 degree. तो अगर दो एंगल का राइट एंगल हो जाएगा तो उन दोनों का सम भी 180 डिग्री हो जाएगा. So that is why it is not possible. And the longest side is BR. It is called hypotenuse. Okay, the longest side of a right angled triangle is hypotenuse. It is the opposite side of right angle. Right angle के opposite वाला side को hypotenuse बोलते हैं. Now the third type of triangle is obtuse angled triangle. If any one angle is an obtuse angle, then the triangle is called obtuse angle triangle. Obtuse angle means angle greater than 90 degree, okay, but less than 180 degree. So this is an example. See, angle Y is an obtuse angle. It is greater than 90 degree. But angle X or angle Y both are less than 90 degree. And one triangle cannot have more than one obtuse angle. It has exactly one obtuse angle. Okay, so these are the classification of triangles. Now you have to identify the triangles based on their angles. See first one. 80 degree, 55 degree and 45 degree. All angles are less than 90 degree. So this is an example of acute angled triangle. The reason is that as measure of each angle is less than 90 degree. And in the next figure, see, ये जो symbol है हम लोग 90 degree के लिए use करते हैं, this symbol. So this symbol indicates that angle P is equals to 90 degree. So तो ये कौन सा triangle हो गया? Right angled triangle. Okay, right angled triangle. Why? Because angle P is equals to 90 degree. And in the last one, this angle is an obtuse angle. So एक obtuse angle है. Right, because one angle M is an obtuse angle. Okay, triangle LMN is an obtuse angle triangle as measure of angle M is greater than 90 degree, that is 118. Okay, so we'll see one more question. Name the following triangles in two different ways. 1 minute, let me explain one question. Two different ways means one based on sides and other based on angles. See first bit. In first bit, all the three sides are different. So that means based on side, this is a scalene triangle. And all angles are less than 90 degree. So based on angle, yes, based on angle, it is acute angle triangle, right? So triangle ABC is a scalene triangle as all the three sides are different, not equal, and it is also an acute angle triangle as all the angles are acute angles, right? Now let us move toward the next question. See, B bit में भी तीनों sides अलग-अलग है. All three sides are different.
Scalene triangle.
Yes, scalene triangle. Because all the three sides are equal, but one angle is obtuse angle. So this is obtuse angled triangle, scalene triangle based on sides, and obtuse angle and obtuse angle triangle based on angle. Right? Any doubt in this first two question?
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
Right. Now the third question. In triangle LMN, see these two sides are equal. So two sides are equal means this is an isosceles triangle. Now all angles are acute angle. See 90 degree से कम है सभी angles. So it is an acute angle triangle also.
Acute angle triangle.
Right. Now let us move towards the fourth one, D. C हो गया, अभी D पे आ गए. See, two sides are equal. So isosceles triangle. And one angle is 90 degree. So right angled triangle. Right.
Right angle.
Okay. So triangle DEF is a right angle triangle and DEF is also an isosceles triangle as two sides are equal. And the last one, see all three sides are equal. So equilateral triangle based on sides. And in equilateral triangle, all the angles are equals to, each angle is equals to 60 degree. That is a property of equilateral triangle. So it is also an acute angle triangle. Right? This is an example. Now we are going to start the exercise questions. Exercise 5.6. Okay, now we are going to start first question. Name the types of the following triangles. So triangles with lengths of sides 7 cm, 8 cm and 9 cm. See, all are different sides. Okay? So all are different sides means which type of triangles? Scalene triangle. अगर सभी अलग अलग साइड है तो scalene triangle. Okay? So answer is scalene triangle because ये जो symbol है, this is the meaning of this symbol is since. Okay? इसको उल्टा लिखेंगे तो therefore होता है. So all the three sides are unequal. Next question, triangle ABC with AB is equals to 8.7 centimeter and AC is equals to 7 centimeter and BC is equals to 6 centimeter. Here also the three sides are not equal. So therefore this is also, yes, scalene triangle. And now the next question, triangle PQR such that all three sides are equal to 5 centimeter. So this is equilateral triangle because all the sides are equal. And next question, triangle DEF with measure of angle D is 90 degree. One angle is 90 degree. So this is right triangle. Okay, right angle triangle. And the next one is triangle XYZ with one angle is 90 degree and the two sides are also equal. So isosceles.
Right angle triangle.
Wait. This type of triangle as two sides are equal, so isosceles हो गया. And one angle is 90 degree, so right angle triangle. दोनों को club करेंगे तो isosceles right angled triangle. Okay, two sides are equal and one angle is 90 degree. Now the last bit. The measure of angle L is 30 degree, M 90 degree. The measure of angle N is 80 degree. All are less than 90 degree. So as all the angles are less than 90 degree, so acute angled triangle. Okay, all the three angles are acute. Now we are moving toward the next, match the following. So one side is measure of triangle is given, other side is type of triangle. So three sides of equal length, equilateral triangle. Right. So this is the answer. Two sides of equal length, isosceles. Okay. All sides are of different length, scalene triangle. Three acute angles, acute angled triangle. One right angle, right angled triangle. One obtuse angle, obtuse angled triangle. And what? One right angle with two sides of equal length, isosceles, isosceles right angle. Next question, name each of the following triangles in two different ways. That is, one based on side and another based on angles. See the first one, 8 centimeter, 5 centimeter and 5 centimeter. So two sides are equal. Wait. Two sides are equal. So isosceles triangle hoga based on sides and each angle is less than 90 degree. So acute angle. So we will write acute angle and isosceles triangle. Now the next one, see, all sides are different, 15, 17, 8. So based on side, this is scalene triangle and one angle is 90 degree. So it is right angle triangle.
Right angled and
So
scale
right
and
angled and scalene triangle, right? This is the answer. Now the next question, the two sides are equal. So isosceles triangle and this angle is obtuse angle. So obtuse angled and isosceles triangle.
Isosceles.
Now the next question, two sides are equal 10 and 10 centimeter, ये दोनों equal है. So isosceles हो गया and one angle is 90 degree. So right angle and isosceles triangle. And in this triangle, all three sides are equal, 5.2 centimeter. And each angle is equals to less than 90 degree. So acute angle and equilateral triangle.
Acute angled and
Now in this triangle, all the three sides are equal. Unequal. All the three sides are not equal, and one angle is more than 90 degree. So obtuse angled and scalene triangle.
acute angled and scale.
So this is fourth question. Third question. Now we are moving toward fourth question. Try to construct triangles using matchsticks. Some are shown here. Can you make a triangle with 3 matchsticks, 4 matchsticks,
Yes,
5 matchsticks and 6 matchsticks? Remember, you have to use all the available matchsticks in each case. Name the type of triangle in each case. If you cannot make a triangle, think of reasons for it. So let us start with the first one. See, 3 matchstick. We formed one triangle, and as the same matchstick we have used, the length are equal. Okay, तीनों length equal है. This one also, and this one. So this will form an equilateral triangle. Now the next 4 matchsticks, it is not possible to make a triangle with 4 matchsticks.
Sir, because a triangle has 3 sides only.
Not 3 sides. I will show you. I will demonstrate in the next slide. Okay, why is it not possible? Right now, 5 matchstick. If we join like that, we will get 5 matchstick a triangle. And see, 2 matchstick here and 2 matchstick here. That means these 2 sides are equal. So this is an isosceles triangle.
Yes.
And if we are using 6 matchstick, 2 matchstick for one side, so we'll get all 3 sides are equal. 1, यहाँ पर भी 2 है, here also 2 matchstick, here also 2 matchstick. That means it will form an equilateral triangle.
Equilateral triangle.
Okay, so this is the fourth question. Now I am going to demonstrate this one by using. Okay, so see, I have 3 matchstick. So I can form one triangle. See. Okay.
Okay.
If suppose 4 matchstick are there, 4 matchstick are there. If I will join 2 matchstick to form one side, then I cannot close this with this single matchstick. Are you able to understand?
Yes, sir.
देखो इससे हम लोग क्लोज नहीं कर पाएंगे. कोई ना कोई साइड, एक साइड में 2 मैचस्टिक लेना पड़ेगा. If you take 2 matchstick, then it will not closed by the third, the next matchstick, the fourth one. Okay. Now the next 5 matchstick. 5 matchstick, how you will join? See. एक यहाँ पे ज्वाइन कर लिए, राइट? Okay. Now 2 here, 1, and this one also I am going to rotate. ये 2 ज्वाइन कर लिए, ठीक है. थोड़ा सा और रोटेट कर लेते हैं. एंड वन मोर वी रिक्वायर्ड, तो उसको हम लोग यहाँ पे ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं. देखो थोड़ा से और क्लोज कर लेते हैं. Are you able to understand? See,
Yes, sir.
so we are getting isosceles triangle. We are getting isosceles triangle with 5 stick. अगर हम लोग एक और stick use करते हैं 6, so we can form one इक्विलैटरल ट्रायंगल। देखो एक मिनट मैं वो भी करके दिखला रहा हूँ। So this will one side, two matchstick will one side, ओके। नेक्स्ट वाले को यहाँ पे ज्वाइन कर लेते हैं। थोड़ा सा इसको और रोटेट करना पड़ेगा। See, we are getting one equilateral triangle. Okay. So this is clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
now we are moving towards assignment question. This assignment question, the first question is based on sides, and the second one based on angles. This I will post through Google Classroom. So that's all for today's session. Thank you very much.